All right, Tiamo Bibi Akwaba and Fambra a porcupine stand here on YouTube with Selbert. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel to enjoy the amazing content or this particular channel. So it's a channel that is dedicated to the news around Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Until Koskohunsem Kwa any the bro our transfer and I say the bro our this very platform. Na sene when you tiano transfer window nebie na aka 2 days nyame ya adoma ukuada na transfer window no apa na wie na Asante Kotoko team na eda ho no yenyina nim say the team is doing well. God being so good. In the last 4 matches to 8 matches of Asante Kotoko team no apeke pa. I mean, how our team now picking nika keke. And then against Klaba, your friend Vision FC, right back, I friend Lord Amwa, energy man of the match, one of the best signings Asante Kotoko in recent times. Our Patrick Kessier the competition about left and right ho. I'm a Jumedi ni kuye. But transfer is meant to improve your setup. Now during the transfer window, now upe babya. Yen any DH says Asante Kotoko ye hu juma na the left back position. The only option for Kotoko or right back position na Emmanuel Kote on one as I backup at my left back. And Baba Sports Stadium. This is what your images need to be captured. On your shot, the man in black, Emmanuel Kote together with Samba O'Neill. The sad news is that Kote Enya ADFN ACL, and for the rest of the season, Emmanuel Kote is out. Our own team in Siakai, Emma Asante Kotoko. Therefore, there was the need for Kotoko to strengthen their right back position and a massive talking point. If you are watching the video, Kotoko penny for announced Kote for the rest of the season. One team in Siakai, and it's a season in Yinano. But one team in Bobium. Now, Brantian crabbing here surgery, yes, yet that year, Ebesa can you go to Geno. Now, go to Geno Power way at the saying near the Dadia Air Barbeka. Now, since Kotiko and Tessa last season, and as Samoa Augustine Japan, Fuseni Sahaku, Omunina as right back options. They say, nay, 2. So the technical team of Asante Kotoko had the list of players are. No mujidi sombe timi abua Kotoko right back. Samuel Ashikwe di wombi. Emmanuel Boahin wombi. But upon further checks, whilst club Kotoko no focusing on these players, the technical team of Asante Kotoko also decided say they will open their doors to observe certain players. Some may be a now after observation, if they are pleased with them, they will officially inform the IMC to pursue the decision and move to the stage where the club ebetimi assign these players into Kotoko open the doors. At the moment, last week yebeji jaka kire say Lord amu abo ne de nka asem ni ho na mom Kotoko bo FA Cup, Kotoko bo the Premier League second round. If Kotoko can do well in the FA Cup, it means that Kotoko will close to kind of saying 20 matches to play. Our the second one, you cannot rely on one right back. Until last week, Omuanomutie channel we nyina de betu manim say abrantie bi apiemu e wa Asante Kotoko training grounds. Na ne din no yenya ne se friend Daniel Edwin a kire se ono oye player based on our reporters. Omo be ka kire se oye right back a started training. Oye training on Tuesday. Oye training on Wednesday. Oye training on Thursday. Oye training on Friday. Into Saturday na numre. Ebra ye tena near the stories where we catch them say yenya the decision of the technical team on this particular boy. But ye share him say Asante Kotoko team no whether on be training there and now somewhere on Tuesday, by Wednesday, the club would definitely take a decision on our branch friend Daniel Ajete. I didn't say no better to him. Well, and rather didn't come on bia. But the club nankasa officially a confirm say Abrante fan Daniel Ajeti was signing at the Asante Kotoko. What this means is that 4 days training. Our near Asante Kotoko team the technical team is impressed with the performance of the player and almost recommending Edema Asante Kotoko. So free agent, our friend Daniel Ajeti officially will sign and our joining Asante Kotoko. A story free oba Jete Emamenti Kotoko in augmenting their right back and left back position a headache no or medical the right back ne no Eddie Atuja. Now let's go to the story. Or started training, send them the two dano, a bradano ye ukwadano, and a ye yawada, and a ye ifiada. Now baby here near in some na coach Ogum who ya nyama beno who ya a ma boy any observation you know or recommend and the man the IMC to complete the deal. Reading from what is on the screen. Head coach Prosper Ogum welcome Adjeta's addition, stating that with Cortez unfortunate ACL injury, into ACL na ni edika kan wasem se eno na to Corte ama ne nan abrantie yi chesade ebo ne kotodwa ontimi nsia kan no aba be chichire kotokokom akofa hawfo fraba no. The coach emphasized it was important that we react in the market. Me catch him last week say Brana to Kotoko no. The good news is that transfer window nin close swing, so Asante Kotoko can get players to occupy these positions, especially after the injury of Abrantia Jefeni Korte. And a coach Ogum can was say in Daniel. Next the coach Ogum who ye our Abrantia. No say in Daniel we are not just bringing in a player, but someone who brings quality. As a coach Ogum share no. One who's a boy no a quality enough. After 5 days, someone who brings experience or a former Nania FC player. I would two coin equamanone, there's a Denmark ukusia kind, and a sa called Latvia, and a wasaba back. Ni age, 24 years. Daniel Andre Ajeti, on wasem, and American, our channel is 1.5. There's a few halfway, naka 1 year, and obebo, and the account after say, or completing the medicals. Into Coach Ogum say, or the experience and competitiveness. Competitiveness near say, oh check your Asante Kotoko team na who be here. Say Lord, I'm one nipa de. Say Juma wo ye obi enjina wachi. Na kwa say eya wonko a ototo papa so, wan toto papa so obi anu ni asem bia. Eya no wa ho keka no, eno wa modern bono e taibo from kakra. Enti na who be here se benyo obi a all Lord Amu Atuja, ni jumedi a wodi, all right back no, and a coach Ogum can wasem no. He will not only strengthen our squad, yes, our Baba can numbers no, but also challenge Lord Amwa for the right back position. Will be out to Musa Utuani. Now we shed your bench, That's one peja modi bomo or besign ho, ama jumedi a quadie, and ubi, and a coach in a come. He will not only strengthen our squad, but also challenge Lord Amwa for the position, which is key for us moving forward. In the league, in the FA Cup, if Asante Kotoko betimi aboya, it's a say ni far from when you can say a door. And that is what a year Abrantia, Andre, a year Daniel Ajeti with Timiniba. We are confident that he will make an impact, both defensively and offensively. So we share Asante Kotoko team that was say now. Enra, Lord Amwa assist, Patrick Esiedu assist. And what this means is that the fullbacks of Asante Kotoko are not only supporting the team defensively, but they are also joining the attack to add up to chances, how the club can create a lot of chances. So we check Liverpool team now. Dan Dyer Bo Mabasona. We did to accept Trent Alexander-Arnold Konenima. We ye bibi suronko. Abrante Fernandi Robertson Konenima o ye bibi suronko. In the modern day, football na ye bono. Player bako. And as he encasses goal scoring, attack for dia. Any encasses defending, defenders for dia. It is a job that is spread across for everybody on the field to deliver. Obia contributing the quota to the team when it comes to defensively and offensive work. Inti coach share how he joins the attack, how supply. He is convinced that defensively and offensively he will add something to the Asante Kotoko situation and also solve the issue of Lord Amwa not being the only player Asante Kotoko dineni Everton so when it comes to the right back position. Crucial for the team when it comes to competing in the Ghana Premier League. Enti yede tumanim se Kotoko befa 3 defenders. Maybe catch it say all things being equal on the transfer market. Se BBNC me catch it say Kotoko befa 3 defenders, 1 right back, 1 left back, and 1 versatile centre back. Me can want some chiro. Sabra mno kasei the announcement of the right back naba. Edia ebe bochira wo channel yiso. Eden who training report bro. Left back now on usu ye training. A branch defender Richard Yafe. And ye nim se enche kra. Based on the ekoso, medicals out do ekoso no. Asante Kotoko ebe nemu a player. Otimibo as a defensive midfielder and also a centre back. Nidini started with Muhammad. The diakanebe tertiary in due course. Near Juma Ediama or channel so. But based on the epic, it looks like the technical team to some extent impressed with a brand here. Your friend Richard Yafe. Intisa what that sorry. Nasa Andre Diabe and I say Daniel Ajete Esu Diabe. Na se Bibian Sasa Ebiani a brand here a friend Yafe on also Diano Eba Betuaso Ewa Asante Kotoko Nshishim Ame Bibiako. So Kotoko is serious about the transfer market. They want to fix the problems of the Asante Kotoko team in order not to create any loopholes or lapses that will prevent Kotoko from winning the league. Into more to come. Enya branti we pena Kotoko. Eba be fado edi argument team no. There will be more. But yen train for official announcement. Ye the training won sem na brebre wa. Abubo players ni dia. Technical team no so he players na hu di omo timi chire on the field. But the main job will be done when eventually IMC sutimi the negotiation ni wie na sa players omo registration ni go through ho na de akanyina ebetimi ato aso de ama Asante Kotoko Asante Kotoko omo nhihye menti more to come. The catch said the IMC is working behind the scenes. Omo nyoma agin se ombe mo mutirima ya omo de ama the resource of Asante Kotoko etimi akobisi basa. What you say? Enya afei and ombe mo mutirima ya omo de afu ani beba onso no na Asante Kotoko team no modern ba ye nyina ehwe ani made free team hono obo se jana dum. That is not what they are doing. Into this transfer market, Asante Kotoko afa 3 forward. Kwame Poku, Samson Aduku, any Abrante fan Isaac Minta, and now we must shift the attention at the good defense wa mere defense nim into right back naba, left back nencho beba, na center back wa versatile. With me some as a defensive midfielder on Osudin eba be toja ba me see first name a woman eye Mohammed diakaneba obeji se obededi when it comes to stories ayeye e porcupine stand a channel dedicated to Asante Kotoko. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Yebesen share biem enumre ni akire nsem no mu bebre. Bye bye.